With entirely new sets of tools for designers and engineers working in the product design space, we knew it was essential to automate and expand existing tools and deliver entirely new features to use in your products. That's why we're excited to give you SnapFit, a new feature in the product design extension, just like our Boss tool. We've made this automated, easy to use, and edit by tying it to parameters. The goal is to help you use more tools seamlessly in your daily process. Driven by sketches and parameters, SnapFit lets you define a set of standard snap fits for your needs. Its intelligent automation also knows when to impact related bodies to accommodate the corresponding groove. Choose from parallel, perpendicular, loop, and design your own custom fittings. Focus more time on the function and aesthetics of your product as you apply these specialized tools that increase modeling efficiency and editing capabilities. Turn your ideas into finished products faster with industry-driven technology in Fusion 360's product design extension.